Yeah! Ah! Merry Christmas, idiots. Gerald Sid says Merry Christmas. I love abusing Gerald Sid. Anyways, let's get on with our Christmas special today. We're going to be blasting a bunch of ornaments with my cannon that I made in the last video.
Oranges. Think fast. Thank you for the heads up. Oh, listen. Yeah!
I wonder if this one's glass.
No! Oh my god, it just sounds like Christmas because there's broken glass everywhere.
What? What'd you say? You know, I'm an English. Huh? I'm American. What? Huh?
What'd you guys do?
Nothing happened. Do not check the tapes.
What's next? Put that back. I saw that. 3. Give me some glass.
Where do you have them?
100 psi, glass shards all over my backyard. There's like unripened orange juice all over the board right now. Some of this.
Watch out for glass shards.
Ooh.
Can we show this on YouTube? If not YouTube, then where?
There's like a line of people putting leaves into here. Oh, baby. Thank you. I'm next.
Oh, are we sure now?
100 psi leaf blower. The world's most powerful instantaneous leaf blower. Who's ready for 100 psi leaf blower? Oh, you want 100 psi leaf blower? Someone
actually,
wants 100.
I don't know how much glass.
Bunch of it just went into the neighbor's backyard. Anybody want to shoot me with leaves? Koji, my boy, come on, come at me. Oh my god, this is way worse than I thought it'd be.
Are you ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Hop. Nothing will be broken when you're in there.
Yeah. My gardeners are coming today. Oh my god, it's just sliding out. Is my grandma filming this?
Yeah.
Why is my grandma filming this? Like, you should join NASA or something. Okay, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you... What if I just blast out the ground? That did nothing besides make a loud noise in the neighborhood. Okay, let's put some glass. Do we have any glass ornaments left? Was that an unbroken one? Yeah, unbroken. Ah, thank you, Matthew. How beautiful.
It is glass. Is it?
So now you know.
Okay, yeah. Are you sure it's plastic?
Yeah?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Get out of here. Goodbye.